Hello everyone, this is VVS Stream. In this video we are going to see what is super and how to use super keyword in Java. The subclasses which is derived or extended from superclasses. This is an example, a parent class which is extended to a subclass. This subclass has all the characteristics of the parent class. So this first two lines explains that the subclass which is derived or extended from superclass has all the values and methods from the superclasses. The superclass does not know what variables or methods present in their derived or extended classes. Likewise, the subclass characteristics does not known by the parent class. Parent does not know what subclass has, but subclass know what the parent class has. In order to pass the value from extended class to its parent class, super keyword is used. So super is used in order to know what values are present in the subclass. This is the importance of super. So now the syntax of super is just super, and inside the bracket the value to be passed is given. Extending classes shows the variables present in superclass. Super is to show the variables present in its subclass. I hope you understand these two lines. Okay, now we are going to write a program to pass the value to its superclass by giving them the value as parameters. The value should contain number of tires, fuel types and seat. So first we are going to assume how to write a program. We are going to take three classes. One is of tires and fuel type and seat. The tires is integer, fuel type is string and seat is also an integer. Okay, now let's get into the program. First we are going to create a main class. So main 01. So using this main class we are going to pass the three values, that is the tire number and the petrol fuel type and the tires. So okay, now we can write the program for the main. Okay, now public static void main string args is the basic template for writing a Java program as mentioned in the previous video. So now inside this we are going to create a class, so object. So this object should be created from a predefined class. So let's create another class. We are going to create new three classes, which one is of tire type, one is of fuel type, and one is of seats type. So tire, sorry, fuel. Giving the numbers with the underscore because it will be easier for us to understand. Fuel type and then okay, now I have created three classes. So first it is depends on the tire. So the tire is the basic and the tire extends the fuel. Fuel is extended from tire. So public class seats extends tire. Okay, let's come in order. So first we are going to create what should be inside the tire, inside which we are creating a integer a, and this integer should be private to maintain encapsulation. So private int a, inside which we are going to create a constructor. So normally a constructor is created. Inside this constructor we are going to create a variable int x. So inside this, the value of x, a is assigned from x, that is a is equal to x. Inside also system.out inside tire 1, inside tire underscore 01. We have passed the value of x to a. So let's do this same for fuel and seat. So seats extend tire. If you do not know how to extend a class, see my Java videos in my YouTube channel. So now inside this we are going to create a variable int b. So then we are going to create the constructor. Inside this we are going to pass two variables, that is one is string and another is integer. Sorry, int b is a fuel type, so it should be as a string, considered as string int x comma string y. The int x is due to the value present in the tire. Sorry, now I'm going to assign the value of b from the y. So first I should use the super keyword and pass the value of x. So okay, now the error has been gone. You can see value of b is equal to x. Sorry, b is equal to y. What is the error? Duplicate class found in the file. Sorry, it's fuel 01. I have mistaken it. Okay, now the error has been vanished. So now we are going to print it. Inside tire, sorry, fuel type. So okay, now we should extend the fuel to seats extends fuel 01. So we should use super. There is no default. Okay, we have to create the default constructor. So we are going to pass three values from the main function, and one value is passed to the seats, and another value is passed to the fuel, and another is passed to the tire. So this class contains three variables. One is of integer tire, another is of string fuel, and the another is of integer seats. Previously we have used int x and string y. Let me copy that, int x and string y comma then again int z. So okay, I'm completing this constructor. See this has shown an error. There is no default constructor available in super.fuel1. So here the super plays a role. By using super we can pass the values from the subclass to its superclass. Okay, super, it is showing int x comma string y. We can use it directly. int x y. The integer is does not required. Okay, now I'm going to do the system.out.println. Here I'm going to print inside sheet 1. I'm getting 3 variables and passing 2 to the fuel. The 2 is passed here and 1 is passed to the tire. I have getting 1 here and the 1 is assigned to the private int A. Likewise, here also we can use private string b and b is equal to y. Here also private int c. The super should be given after immediately after creating the constructor. For example, if I use c is equal to z, it shows an error. See what is the error? Call to super must be first statement in the constructor body. So now when I move this down, the errors are vanished. Let's get into the main class. From main class we are going to create an object for seat. Seats 01 yes is equal to new seats 01. Inside the constructor, see integer x, string y and integer z is shown. So now we are going to give the types number of tire. A car consists of 4 tires and string y is of fuel or petrol. I mean petrol or diesel. Petrol inside brackets we should give petrol. And again it's showing that int z. Int z is of number of seats. For example, we can give it as 6. It has assigned the values to x is equal to 4, y is equal to petrol and z is equal to 6 respectively. This is the super class. Let me show how this works. We are creating an object. This consists of 3 variables. It is passed to the seats. 3 variables are get here and 2 variables are passed using the super. And 2 variables are got here and 1 variable is passed using the super. 1 variables get here and the variable is stored. This is how super is used in Java. Okay, let's see the output. Let's wait. Okay, it is shown that inside tire 01, inside fuel type, inside seat, the values have been passed directly. So I want to print the values, so I am giving plus value a, and here also I want to print the value, so plus value b, same here plus value c. So when I run this program, you can see the output. Okay, inside tire 01, value 4, inside fuel type petrol, inside seat 6. This is the function of super. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel if you didn't do it. Thank you.